Not sure if everybody has seen these yet, but these come from Curry's Custom Cutlery. As you guys know, I way back showed how I custom make these better from the buckle guides that we can buy that are kind of pre-made, but they don't have this cutout on here, and they always needed this widened and this widened, and just to make it work better. And it still wasn't fantastic, but it was pretty good. But let me tell you, so Cliff Curry over at Curry's Custom Cutlery had these custom made, and you don't need to buy the entire buckle guide. If you already have a buckle guide, and if you already have an angle buckle guide, all you need is the base, and you can buy, he sells just the front piece. But the difference this makes on bolstered knives, wow. I mean, he got this down even more narrow than how I did it. And take a look at this. I mean, look at it. I am perfectly on there. This is fantastic. Look at this. Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah, these are great. Absolutely fantastic. I think he's completely sold out of the full buckle, but if you already have a buckle guide, all you need is the back. And if you don't, you can buy the buckle on Amazon and just get the replacement piece here from Cliff and swap it out. Then you don't have to do all of the stuff that I did myself for years to make these things better. And quite honestly, what Cliff had made here is better than what I made. It's a really nice additional piece. I think it was $17 and totally worth it. I am going to do both of my 1x30s, and I'll show you this one later because I think I'm going to permanently attach this one. This is the Vevor, and I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to weld this part of the buckle to the platen here, because I don't really need to change this at all, and I don't have any other intention for this machine except for sharpening, so I don't really care if I permanently mount this. I'm tired of using the magnet, so I am going to permanently hook this to mine. There's lots of ways you could do it. You could just you could drill a screw through the buckle guide. You'd need a flush head mount screw, and you'd have to countersink it a little bit. I think I'm just going to spot weld it, to be honest with you. I think that's what I'm going to do, but I'll show you. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to put on another one of Cliff's new pieces because they are great. I'll put a link in the video to where you can get these if you're interested in them.